Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Angela. Hopefully you all are doing fine, and if you are new in this channel, seeing this face for the first time, so welcome to Angie's Diary. This is a haul video and will be showcasing all the products that I recently purchased from Itsy Bitsy. So Itsy Bitsy is a craft and hobby supplies retailer store and online store as well. I ordered few products from their online store and received the products on time, and the packaging was very well as none of the products were damaged, cracked or leaked. So really happy with the service. Products that I'll be showcasing in this video, their link will be there in the description box below in case you want to check them out. So that's all about it. Now let's begin with our video.
So my first product is this Deco Magic glue, which comes in this round container. It was properly sealed, so there was no chance of leakage. It works on all surfaces. It dries out quickly and clear. It gives glossy finish, which makes it perfect as a base coat as well as top coat, and that is why it is an ideal sealer, glue and finisher. Next item is this Decor Varnish Gloss. It comes in such kind of container. Its application is very easy and can be applied by using a flat or soft brush. When applied on any surface, it gives a glossy look. It is great for sealing and protecting surfaces like wood, acrylic paintings, oil paintings, metal surface, decoupage work, etc. It dries fast and it is water based. Next item is One Step Crackle Medium, and it is great for creating a wonderful antique look. It basically gives a cracked look, and thickness of the cracks depends upon the thickness of crackle medium applied on the surface. It is non-toxic and dries clear, and it gives a perfect crackle effect. Due to the design of the bottle, its application is very easy. It can be used on various surfaces like wood, paper, glass, metal, etc. I purchased 4 different stencils, each have different design on it. First is this scripted design. Second one has mandala design on it. Third one has words written on it such as dream, love, hope, achieve. And the last one has floral borders. These are great for decorating school projects, DIYs, scrapbooking, etc. They are perfect for working on walls, glass, furniture, metals, papers, etc. Use acrylic paints, sparkle paste, texture paste, crackle paste, modeling paste, etc. to get the design. These stencils are reusable, so clean them immediately once the use is over, so that no residues of paste or paints are left on it. Next product is this synthetic hair fan brush in the size 4. It has good soft synthetic hair which are secure properly in their socket. It has wooden handle that allows great hold plus detailed work. It is great for watercolor, oil colors or acrylic paints. My next product is clear stamps, and I purchased this Sending Love 3 pieces set. When you will receive it, it will be black in color. Mine is looking blue as I used it with blue ink. They are great for card making, scrapbooking, etc. and can be used on different surfaces. They also provide ink pads, stamp pads, but these you have to buy separately. They are used with a clear acrylic block which is sold separately, but here I have used a different and Jugadu technique. So if you want to know more about it, leave a comment below and I'll make a separate video on the same. My next item is this paint marker gold. It can be used on metal, glass, wood, plastic surface. It does not fade easily and it is water and oil resistant. Its color is not completely gold, it falls more towards the bronze shade. Next product is this sparkle dots. This can be used for card making, scrapbooking or any other crafting project. Mine is multicolor, but various other single colors are also available. You can choose according to your need. I purchased 2 decoupage napkin. First is this fancy wreath and the other one is floral spring. As decoupage technique is very in nowadays, so wanted to try it out. These can be used to decorate wooden boxes, coasters, fabric bags, shoes, etc. You can use the whole napkin or tear suitable design or elements as per your project needs. It is a premium quality 3-ply decoupage napkin and only the top printed layer is used for the decoupage technique. My last item is this decoupage paper A4 size. There are total 4 sheets with 2 different designs or patterns. These can be used for decoupage technique or any other craft technique. It is a single layer 70 GSM paper and due to its correct thickness, it can be merged well with the background and will not appear popping out. You can use the whole sheet or tear out suitable designs as per your need. It is great for scrapbooking, card making and other craft projects.
So that's all for today guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this haul video, and if you did, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I'll add another video. And see you in my next video. Till then, be happy, take care, keep smiling. Bye bye.